This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, pasta bake. And if you know me, you know I like to get baked. Baked ziti, spaghetti, even lasagna, they're all essentially pasta bakes. Pasta sauce and cheese being the main ingredients. It's generally all inexpensive, filling, and can be made to feed large crowds easily and affordably. I'm a cheese lover, but to be honest, it's the sauce that makes or breaks a pasta bake. Try saying that 7 times fast. It's got to taste good and be plentiful, or it'll be dry, and nobody wants that. When my momster made sauce, it was by the vat and used to make a plethora of her Italian dishes. Manigot, ravioli, stuffed shells, lasagna, eggplant, and chicken parmesan. All used her marinara. She made some damn fine sauce, and I humbly submit that her daughter does too. And also, buy the vat, so I can use it for all the recipes. Try this. And if you don't use my marinara or meat sauce recipe, and you use a jar sauce, wah, wah, add some twice stolen spice for some zing. Mama Mish makes your kitchen magic.
All right. It's cheesy, it's saucy, and it's delicious. Let's eat.